Alright guys, how are you guys doing today? Happy Saturday to every one of you and happy weekend to you all. This is Edo State. This one will happen for Edo State. So we posted the video yesterday over the soldier or army invasion to some communities, and someone cried out and all that. We have not passed proper investigation into this particular trendy story that is happening right now, but we are only working as a third party. And our reason, we will put it at the end of these videos. I want you guys to watch this pathetic video. We're putting two videos together. One of them went to the palace, and the other one where he was explaining to, I think it was ITV or so, or any media outlet. But I want us to watch this pathetic, sad story together.
No, I first go ITV before. I go to report for ITV. Let me get here. Properly, who is the they come? One office. They don't write now. Excuse me. Why not call one of them? It's better. You will look at this. No, we protest. Okay, one thing on this one. We protest that one thing on this seat. Your association and companies, not the association, and military after my house. Yes, they don't give me so that make cannot meet up. This one my house. Not the person. We calm down. So as I buy and finish, you know, on the no get direct. Who are the name? What is the name? Agawa. They are more the no get where they suspend. I don't know. Because I know the body company, not be you build house. Let me build house. You know what they happen for the environment. I know be from Benin. I be data. I'm not too much. Be by data, my friend. Not be your house. Not be you people. Not in the house. Not be the house at the CEO. In my house. If you know, I don't understand what you do. If you day here now, you rent house for them. You don't know what's in day here. I don't know. They no get now. Plus, I'm not going to now. There are some things where they say, I don't want to see they suspend the no game. So what they can't do now? They can't destroy your house. Say on that which waiting now. You not pay. All the time they meet to do again, not 10 minutes now. Yesterday, they show me to say now waiting. Say the army now give her the land. That's why I come here without maybe they help me call. I make me give me. I beg I did. Just the video me they go. Because I know me from this state, now make them not answer me. Because if my Delta state where I come from, I will cry go meet my king. I go lie down. They will allow me see even go inside my lay my complaint. Now me be the victim. Now my house be this. That's why I cry come palace so that they'll help me. But no help. Now beg I did. Who go fear help me? Help me. Now beg I did. Now because not be the my own sweat. What I dey work for my youthful age. I ring God I dey for Benin City at those states. I don't know what I do. They no game. You know, they don't so much still Nigerian army. Now do me this one. I know you know what I do. I buy land from community for my no give for the community. I come palace now. They don't people allow me enter because I not be indigene. If I be indigene, say I be sheep picking, they for allow me go see inside. They don't carry this matter for head. All what I don't labor for. Not just be this. All what I labor for. What I need na justice. Me they help me go. They no give me the answer. What I do? Before army they destroy property, they will call the person, say come. They don't call me, nothing. I just enter, just they call me, say they don't destroy my house. How Nigerian youth want to believe in the country where they come from? Governor Peola, they call your head. May not sit to this. Commissioner of police. I beg I did. Nothing where I do, where you say I do. That's why they call to help. I beg I did. Now beg I did. Who they go? Anybody who help me, help me. Now beg I did. Now beg I did. Come my friend, me let's say na palace now, see Cries go. Yeah. Na palace now, see Cries go. Me let's see help me. You know, I don't say to the community. Barrack soldiers now they destroy my house. I did for work, now they come and say they don't form my house up in the city. On Tuesday, now they destroy my house. I cry come for last time, nobody allow me say. See, they are not going to carry all these ones there. Nothing will not be do for me. So say look, they show me say now waiting they give me this. From how me there they see destroy my house. I not do anything, no. And because I don't come from this state, see as well I suffer build. As well build. Then they demolish like this. Nigeria army. You not get what I do. Now I cry come for last, they will allow me come and for last. Because I know me from this state, because I know they don't kill it. If I'm a state of that state 9 days, I go please see like one-on-one, they'll tell me say I'm not going to say, I go pass through ship. Because the process I did work hard, I don't be to help me. No help. Nigeria army, I beg again. Our house is demolished. Now my house is demolished. Oh, now my house is demolished. Okay, what I do? Nigeria army, Nigeria police, okay, governor. Now beg again. I don't know how I want to come up for this thing. This problem where they put me, so I don't know how to come up. Today they rob my office. Now they go break my house. Where do all my stuff from for this country? Where do all my stuff from? Where do all my stuff from? Now beg I dare anybody if you help me. When I see share this video, I beg I dare. I don't know what I do. May they call, they no give up for the community say, what I do every hour because of my ass. What I do? Now beg I dare when I hear me out. I beg Commissioner of Police. Papa of Benin. I beg, you will help me. Oba talk me, may they help me. I beg, I don't know if the position won't kill me. President won't kill me, I don't know if I will do again. This if you even lead to my head, I don't even know. My life not there at peace again. Mona help me, I beg. Now beg I did. Now beg I did. Now beg I did. Mona help me, oh. Mona help me. Mona help me. Mona help me. I don't go do this police report, I beg. Mona help me. Now help now they beg. Now beg I do. Now my house, now justice I just seek for. Now beg I did. I just they work out my own, they do my own, they go make if you help me. I beg, now beg I did. Now beg I did.
Tell us your name and
my name is Benjamin. I'm a citizen of Nigeria from Delta State, but I do business here for Benin. I thought they do business, which is a graphics design and printing. Now they do. Now small money why they save over the years. Now I take the rate this structure. What happened? I bought land from Enoge, named now Agawa, from this community Ogede. But 3 years ago, now I buy the property from her. That's this land, empty land. Because the dimension of this place now 100 by 100. I see gather money again, now I buy another 100 by 100 from her from the other side. Everything cut total to 200 by 100. Sorry. 100 by 100 now first buy. That's this portion. Then the other back side, I still buy her from her. When we buy the place from the man, I paid him money. He give me papers. That's he called do those deed of transfer. I did everything. I even can't do this registry where they go register land. So I do those things then. So I call they build this place small. We all know how they say they build house from Nigeria. Not be once they build house. Money come, I start foundation. Why I start foundation? The community people come with me say I'll pay community fee. Say why I will listen. I pay. Then later when God sit down for me, I can't reach little level. I do pass that stage. When I reach roofing level, they still come again. They say I'll pay for roofing. I can't pay. Even though they will put this aluminium roof safe, they still come say I'll pay for the people who come. I still pay them. All those payments, I pay those money. They not tell me say this place get issue or land get issue. I don't build that finish. Just at the office, last week here, they robbed my office. They made away with 11 laptops. Those who know me for Benin, my business in a graphic sport. Those who follow me for TikTok, na graphic sport 7. For my Facebook, na graphic sport. They know say na printer they do over the years. Since 2007, I get CAC registered in this country. I said I finish school now, I start this job. I want to do this graphic design before I start school. No work, now to start this thing. Now don't come, they're coming from office, say man, They don't for my house because my uncle they stay the first flat for that place there. This one and my own part where we say I go stay. I just build them like we have to retire while we man no benefit of work I don't work over the years. Just to come here, I run reach here now. They say the armies they don't come out. My uncle come tell me say they use and sit down for ground while they come they break the place. So he not feel quick call me. Now when they don't come out, now they call me. I run reach, I don't see anybody. I run to the Nogi sir. Baba, I was see what they happen to my house. So the Nogi say when we reach there, they say don't go palace. I wait over nothing. Different call they call me. Advice from people call say okay, make me go palace, go complain. Me can't come out. So people call say that say my post this thing. As I they post them because they go viral. But now people constantly tell me say okay, man go meet the Nogi again. My house and say, what will be the problem of the land? I still meet him now. Nothing where this man don't tell me where they tangible. If I reach the palace, so God and man, God where they see me so. The man, I know they feel they talk now late years. As I feel they talk to this camera now, I feel they talk confidently. But if I see the Nogi, I don't feel they talk. Whether I do something me, I don't know. I not even talk now. Okay, see what I don't labor for over the years. Nothing to show. I just suffer, waste my youthful age for this country. Oba of Benin, Oba Atokpe, NUJ, any press I beg, Mona help me. Mona just help me I beg. I don't know what I do. I don't know what I do. Now I beg I just stay governor Kweolo. You dey try for this state. Since you enter, different things they happen. As you enter, but by it, no boy, I watch the flyover. What you do? Please at least flyover don't come at those states. At least for so many things where they do. I beg. Just hear my cry. This one not be politics. I beg. Mona help me. I beg. I don't go para, but they don't feel allow me enter because I not get shit won't carry me go. No, I beg. Mona help me, Nigerians, those in diaspora, I beg. Civil society, I beg to now, I beg. Mona help me. Now I beg I did. Now I beg I did. Now I beg I did. Anyone na fit help me. Now what I don't labor for be this one. I beg. I dey beg on now. Oba of Benin, Nigeria Police Force, Nigeria Army. I dey beg on now. Anyone na fit assist me. I don't mind, I don't born. I get wife, I get pikin. Yeah, what I want to live for them for? How many years them man go stay? I don't use all my years since I finished school. No work. I saw the business me for school. No job. Now I remember I said, oh, Bobby, I learn work. Oh, now I start printing. They do graphic design. Nothing what I show for them. The only this thing I get. What I call it for? All my schoolmates, the way they travel, they say, shall they tell you that I say, come on for Nigeria. You see Nigeria good. See what I live for. Those where they are, bro, anywhere on they wanna help me. Civil society, I dey beg. Wanna hear my cry. Now beg I did. Wanna help me. Anyone want to help me, I beg. I don't know what I do. At least there's some more person. They call me. I'm not going to invest my money because they put for what I don't say get problem. Nobody like trouble. I don't like trouble. I beg. Any they want to help me. Now beg me just say. If I don't even know which I want to talk again. Where I want to start from? Wanna just help me, I beg. Any of you help me, now beg me, I did. All the video where they post, I beg. If now want to ask me questions, coming for anywhere, I'll come. Now beg, I did. I beg. Wanna help me. Wanna help me. Oba of Benin, Oba Atokpe, the Commissioner of Police, Nigeria Army Force, any of the forces, all the press, please, wanna help me. Today I not, I beg, a very dark man. Everybody, I beg, wanna help me. I be citizen of this country. I've been Delta, now Delta I come from, Isoko North. Wanna hear me out. Now beg I did. If you look at now, what I want to live for? My picky where I did on that stress. They robbed my office last week Thursday. Just Tuesday, yeah, now they demolish my house. Well, the same person they run this to me, I don't know. And I want now officer help me, wanna help me. Now beg I did. I don't say I do the no get of Ogede. If you tell me say this place get issue, I not go buy, I don't like trouble. I will not put my body. If you did nobody will say, I bet 5 po for this street, 5 po. And they work day and night. People know me. So they ask me, say, which work I do at a lost laptop. I'm a graphics designer and a printing press I get. I get more than 15 workers where they work for me. I just say, okay, master, they help youth. Some of my boys say they work for me. So now we bring training money. I say, look, I say, let's help Nigerians. And so I say, I beg. People know me well. If you see target some people will say, they're no better. Now, they're soon at school. Abraka, I beg. I'm a Nigerian. I beg, Mona help me. Commissioner of Police, Oba of Benin, Civil Society of Nigeria, please. I beg, Mona, any anafiti help me. Now beg I did. I not get anybody who I call to. I never get Papa. My Papa na army, he died. Before years, my Papa, there were only 2 of my mama born. 2 of us. Me and my younger brother. Mona, just help me.
You see why we still leave this whole thing as a third-party broadcast. I don't want to go into it yet. I might, but I need to be moved. Because when we're doing all these things at that time, remember, some of you that have been following me for a while, this was what NAIJA was doing before in Edo State. Fighting land grabbers, restoring people's stolen properties, you know, bringing them back, taking people to court, holding House of Assembly Speaker and the government accountable for this whole thing that you all are seeing right now. Putting protests together at the Oba of Benin Palace and doing a lot. I and my team were putting hands together to make sure that land grabbing stopped in Edo State, regardless of who the person was or whoever suppressing homeowners. We brought a lot of big names to our platforms to interview them, question them, and we help a lot of people to get their properties back. But why did I decide to stop this? Some of our people did not appreciate our work. They belittled us, they looked down on us, and because of that, I decided to say, okay, I'm done. You guys can do this yourself. Normally, this thing that you are seeing on air now, my inbox don't full. People want me to go into it, to properly investigate this, to bring the truth out and all that. It's happening, not just this person. A lot of people are facing land grabbing situation right now in my state. But when we were doing this job, everywhere we come. But today, what I want us to understand in this video is that if you don't appreciate people that is trying for you, they will stop. Then you will do it yourself. What do I know? This is NAIJA Watch Media. Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's continue to talk about the things as affect us. Take care, guys, and bye for now.